up, dudes? BS Mike, Backyard Shenanigans. We're out here today in the shop, and today we're gonna show you how to build, actually not how to build, but we are gonna put this cowl hood, just the fiberglass mold, or not the mold, but you know, the fiberglass part, we're gonna put it on this hood to save $1, because you know I'm not trying to holler for one of them $1,000 hoods. So stick around, show you how you get this done on a budget. We got our helper out here. Christina, say what's up to the Backyard Shenanigans. So you say what's up, dude? Okay, okay. We got Pickle, he's in the house. We got Steven, hey yo. All right guys, first step, we set it on there, we measured, we see how wide we want it to be, and now we are trimming it to fit.
You're gonna be videoing on one nice clothes.
Oh, you're looking good, Steven, don't you worry. You're looking good.
I
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim.
You can see we're shaping the back of her. Go up against the windshield here.
It's okay if you got to use a circle maker and you can't do it freehand. It's okay.
The freehand master, Steven, has spoken.
And what?
I have spoken!
So we got our little trim job here. Lower the ears a little bit. Look at Steven, he's a master of this. Uh-oh, we got Pickles over here being a bad dog. Look at this. He just stole her straw. All right, Steven just measuring here, making sure she's dialed right in the middle. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, if any of you guys have like a 50, 60, 80 gallon air compressor that you could donate to Backyard Shenanigans instead of this little pancake compressor he's trying to use, he would surely appreciate it. You could probably get a hold of him at backyardshenanigans.com or something like that.
It's .shop, and guys, while we're talking about Backyard Shenanigans .shop, make sure you check out the merch store. We got lots and lots and lots of badass t-shirts on there for sale right now. Woo, Steven getting this thing just dialed. Look at it, formed to the freaking windshield. She's gonna look bad.
Straight down through here.
Yeah, she'll be all dialed right there like that. Woo! All right guys, so we got it all trimmed up. Steven's the man. Got her all lined up. Now we're gonna throw some rivets in there. We're gonna rivet down the side.
There. So it holds it in place. Alright, just hold it there so it doesn't move around. Just keep the hood back where it goes. All good.
This would be a lot harder with one version. So we got this dialed in here. We're riveting the hood on, but underneath the rivet, we actually put a little bit of, what do you call it, epoxy. Yeah. So we got just a dab of epoxy where the rivets are going in. This is gonna just add a little bit of rigidity because you don't want your hood to be flexing on top of you don't want your scoop to be flexing on your hood because it'll crack your bondo. All right guys, so it's been a couple days, whatever, it's been a week, 2 weeks. Who really knows how long it's been? I don't know, I'm just getting out here when I got time for this, okay? So we got the hood on. We got first I used this fiberglass bondo, right? Because it's like reinforced, it's gonna be tougher, it's gonna flex a little bit, might not crack. So we used some of that first. Did a real rough coat on it, sanded her down, and then we came in with actual, just regular bondo, and we hit it with that then, after it was all sanded down, just to fill all the pinholes and little spots where the fiberglass bondo was not, cutting it. Anyways, we got this hole in the hood patched up, so we're just gonna have the turbo. The exhaust is gonna come out the fender now. And we hit all the rivets in there. So it's riveted down, epoxied down, fiberglass bondoed, and now regular bondoed. We're gonna sand it up, make her look pretty.
Feel pretty, oh so pretty. I feel pretty and witty and gay.
Already after 14 days of sanding, finally got her done, I think. Bondo line's pretty smooth. Not seeing really any dips or holes. We got it all filled in where to cut it and where it met the hood and the scoop. I think she's about ready for paint. I would paint it right now, but it's pretty cold out here and the cans are cold and I just don't think it's a good idea. I think, better yet, I just think I'll regret it if I don't wait until it warms up a little bit. So, here we go. What's up, D-Dog?
Nothing.
Hanging out? Good. All right, guys, so I just want to preface this video a little bit. I, myself, am terrible at bodywork, okay? So don't take any of my tips for bodywork. I just wanted to show you guys that anybody can put one, if you have a fiberglass hood like this, anybody could do this. Anybody could put one of these scoops on their hood and save $1, you know? So, guys, Steven Ellison is gonna be selling these, just the hood scoops, so you can put one of these scoops on your hood. I'm gonna put his phone number in the description. If you're interested, give him a call. I'm sure he would appreciate the business and he'll do a fantastic job for you. Ooh, we got the turbo killer there. Paid the dang space shuttle with this thing. Oh man, ripped one. That's disappointing. There we go. So, first can of turbo paint that I had, or turbo can Rust-Oleum, I was using the nozzle was messed up, so I got a few runs, but this one seems to be working super good, so mint. Yeah, the video's on, but it's okay. There, we got a wife out here feeding chickens. Woo, you guys all right? She is looking good. Looking fresh, guys. Like I said, not a pro at bodywork, but I'm gonna probably sand it again, make it a little more smooth. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, if you want a hood scoop of your own, Steven Ellison is gonna be selling them. Give him a call. He's a Florida local out here. He's based out of like the LaBelle area. So give him a call. I'm gonna put the phone number in the description. Thanks for watching. We're gonna catch you in the next video.